power of static websites. Why they matter in the modern web landscape? Static websites have emerged as a popular choice for developers and businesses alike. While dynamic websites, which generate content on the fly using server-side languages like PHP, Python, or Ruby, have long been the norm. Static websites offer a compelling alternative that combines simplicity, speed, and security. In this article, we'll explore what static websites are, their advantages, and why they're becoming a go-to solution for many use cases. What are static websites? Static website is one where the content is fixed and doesn't change unless manually updated. Each page is pre-built and stored on a web server as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. When a user visits the site, the server simply serves the requested file without processing any code or retrieving data from a database. This simplicity makes static websites fast, lightweight, and easy to maintain. Examples of static websites: personal blogs, portfolios, documentation sites, landing pages, business. Websites with minimal dynamic features. Advantages of static websites. 1. Speed. Static websites are inherently fast because there's no need for server-side processing. The browser can render the pages immediately, making them ideal for users who value quick load times. 2. Security with no server-side code or databases. Static websites are less vulnerable to attacks like SQL injection or cross-site scripting. This makes them a secure choice for sites that don't require complex interactions. 3. Simplicity. Static websites are easier to develop and maintain. They don't require complex server configurations or databases, making them a great option for developers focusing on front-end design and content creation. 4. Cost-effective. Hosting a static website is often cheaper than hosting a dynamic site. Since static sites don't require expensive servers or databases, you can host them on budget-friendly platforms like GitHub Pages, Netlify, or Vercel. 5. Scalability. Static websites can handle large amounts of traffic without performance degradation. Since each page is pre-built, the server doesn't need to generate content dynamically, making it easier to scale. Tools and technologies for building static websites. The rise of static websites has been fueled by the development of tools and frameworks that simplify the process of creating and deploying them. Some popular tools include Jekyll, a Ruby-based static site generator that's ideal for blogs and documentation sites. Hugo, a fast and lightweight static site generator built with Go. Gatsby, a React-based framework for building modern high-performance websites. Netlify, a platform that simplifies the deployment and hosting of static websites. Markdown, a lightweight markup language often used to write content for static sites. Limitations of static websites. While static websites offer many advantages, they're not suitable for every use case. Some limitations include content updates. Updating content on a static site requires manually modifying files or rebuilding the site, which can be cumbersome for sites that need frequent updates. Content updates. Updating content on a static site requires manually modifying files or rebuilding the site, which can be cumbersome for sites that need frequent updates. User interaction. Static websites lack the interactivity of dynamic sites, making them less suitable for applications that require user authentication, comments, or forms. E-commerce. While possible, building a complex e-commerce site with a static website can be challenging due to the lack of built-in support for shopping carts and payment processing. Real-world applications of static websites. Despite their limitations, static websites are well-suited for a variety of applications. Personal blogs. Static websites are perfect for bloggers who want to share their thoughts without the overhead of a dynamic site. Portfolios. Artists, designers, and developers often use static websites to showcase their work. Documentation. Technical documentation is often hosted on static sites because they are easy to maintain and fast to load. Landing pages. Static websites are ideal for creating simple, focused landing pages for marketing campaigns. Business websites. Many small businesses use static websites to provide basic information about their products and services. Static websites offer a powerful and efficient way to deliver content on the web. Their speed, security, and simplicity make them an excellent choice for developers and businesses looking to create fast, lightweight, and cost-effective websites. While they may not be suitable for every use case, static websites are a valuable tool in the modern web development arsenal. Whether you're building a personal blog, a portfolio, or a business website, consider giving static websites a try. With the right tools and approach, you can create a website that's not only fast and secure, but also a joy to maintain. If you're ready to elevate your online presence and make a lasting impact, consider partnering with Ace International Media for a custom website design that represents your brand's vision.